is this the right time for students to do an MBA? I mean, really, like, is the job market going to be on the upswing when their program ends? If they start, let's say today, they're going to end maybe next year or towards the end or the year after that. Do you think it's intelligent to invest in education?
See, education is countercyclical. MBA program, professional programs like MBAs, where the opportunity cost of leaving a job right now is a lot lower because you're not going to be
Mm-hmm.
getting raises, you're not getting promotions, you're not hopping from one job to another where people are recruiting your way. So it's actually a better time to get educated at this. We typically see it. Now, the only difference this time, why it's not such a clear-cut case, is because will people want the virtual experience maybe for another semester or their first semester here, as opposed to the in-person experience, because we offer that as a value add, as a competitive advantage, right? So for
Mm-hmm.
us and other elite institutions, if you will, that's become a little bit of a concern. But in general, this is a great time to do it. Also because an MBA allows you to pivot. It allows you to
Mm-hmm.
shift gears. It allows you to learn the cutting edge, to help develop the cutting edge. You come out with a renewed sense of purpose. You come out with a different set of skills. You then go out and change your career to what's more attractive and where the opportunities are at that point in time. And I think that's the part which is exciting for me. So I think it's exciting. Now, if I may make a comment on Masters Union as well at this point and how you guys have set it up. What's exciting to me about your model is a number of things, but the India focus, the wide availability, with the blended focus, essentially, some online, some offline, that can be easily adjusted, right? And then the connection to industry, because it's very much, on the ground, what things are happening. Let's figure out together from a theoretical or academic point of view, in conjunction with what industry needs. I think you're very well placed to help in this kind of a situation, and just objectively speaking, that's the kind of thing that students will be looking for, right? And so, yes, it's a good time to do it, and but be a bit more open-minded that your experience might be a bit of an experiment at this time.